Now we will prepare the roasted masala, for which we have taken a pan and heated it. To this we will add one by one dry red chili, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves, and jeera. Let them roast nicely. The spices are now roasted nicely and they're imparting a beautiful aroma. Now we shall grind it. So the roasted masala is grinded and it's ready. Now we will keep this aside. For the stuffing I have taken 500 grams of peas, which I will grind in the mixer. I have taken the peas in a mixing jar, to which I will add some water and grind it. A nice thick pea paste is ready. Now we shall prepare the stuffing, for which we have taken oil in a pan and heated it. I have taken here 2 tablespoons of oil, to which I will add ginger, garlic and chili paste. We have to fry the masala nicely. The masala is now fried. Now we will add the pea paste. Now stir nicely. Mix the masala and the paste. We have to stir it occasionally till the pea changes its color to dark green and the water evaporates away. Now we will add salt according to taste, little sugar, turmeric powder. Mix nicely. You can see the pea has started changing its color and at the same time it has started thickening. Now the pea has tightened up. Now we will add sattu. The sattu will help in binding the stuffing. Mix it nicely. The sattu also adds a nice flavor to the stuffing. You can see the sattu has absorbed all the water, excess water in the stuffing. And now our stuffing is almost ready. Now we will turn the burner off and add the masala that we have roasted beforehand. Do not cover the pan. Keep it for some time. Let the stuffing cool down and then we shall prepare the kachoris. Mix the masala. The stuffing is ready. Now we will let it cool down before we start filling the puris. This is imparting a brilliant smell, I tell you. They seem to be very tasty and this looks also very good. In the meantime, we shall knead the dough, for which I have taken Maida as required, some salt, oil. First we have to dry mix all of this. Now we will add water little by little. So now the dough is ready. Now we will make small balls out of it and fill the stuffing, and then we will fry the kachoris. I've rolled the dough into small balls. Now I will fill the stuffing. First make a well in the middle. Close the mouth of the well very nicely. Seal it nicely. Roll it between your palms, and it's ready. Similarly, we will do the rest. Now we shall roll the kachoris. The kachoris are now rolled. Now I shall fry them. For frying, I have taken oil in a pan and heated it. Now I will leave the kachoris. So the very tasty Matar Kachori is ready to serve. Serve it hot with the aloo, and trust me, this will taste divine. And for more details of the recipe, do check the description box below. I hope you will like this, and you will definitely try this at home. In the winters, this is a very nice dinner option. And if you like my recipe, then don't forget to like, comment and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.